Good morning and welcome, welcome, welcome. We are at Universal City Walk Hollywood, walking towards Universal Studios Hollywood, and I realize I do a lot of these videos at theme parks, but I never explain how I can get on so many rides. I'm gonna try in this video. Today's probably a very crowded day and a weekend in late July of 2021. I'm going to show my best ways to get through the park, especially in the morning when you want to get on as many rides as possible. When you get here, you might see a giant line down the red carpet. Those people think that's the only way to get in the park. Nope. There's a lot of turnstiles on both sides. That's another thing. Get here early. 30 minutes before park opens, they open the gate and they start letting you in. So while you're waiting here in the main entrance area, try and figure out a plan of attack, whether you're going to start with the upper lot or the lower lot. My plan today is to start with the lower lot and head to the upper lot. Also, while my annual pass does have Universal Express Pass, I'm only going to use it if it is absolutely necessary. So I'm going to try and show you what it's like to enter the park first thing in the morning without Express. About 30 minutes before opening, and look how long the lines are, almost stretching to the globe. This is why you get here early. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and now we are some of the first people through the gates. Now, there's a lot of people running here. If you are starting like me in the lower lot, my recommendation is just walk to the lower lot entrance as fast as humanly possible. So one thing to note about starting with my approach is while you can line up for the lower lot early, they might not let you down until closer to 9. Right now it's about 8:40, so we still have 20 minutes before the park is officially open. So if you really want to visit something as soon as you get in the park, the only things that are open early before 9 are the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So while I did say that I wasn't going to be using Express today, I will be using Single Rider because anyone can. It is now 8:51. They just started letting us down to the lower lot. As the first one down, I'm going straight to Jurassic World. In theme parks, I kind of live by the motto that you can rest while you're on the ride. No one in front of me or behind me. I'm going to be the first person in the lower lot. Heading into the queue at exactly 9 a.m. Right on time. Unfortunately, there was a delayed opening, so we're getting on about 10 minutes after park opening.
Cleared for entry.
I didn't even notice that they added blood.
Dawn is ready to skate. Please remain in the boat and stay calm.
So as the first one off the ride, it completely depends what you do next. Now, I'm probably gonna go straight to Transformers and do that and then hit the Mummy on my way out. Now, the queue should be a walk-on in the morning, but I'm just gonna do Single Rider because it's just me. It should take around the same amount of time. Looks like not only do I get the whole row to myself, I get the whole car to myself. How awesome is that? It's now 9:20 and I've done 2 out of the 3 lower lot attractions. Unfortunately, it does look like the Mummy is down right now. So it's about 9:30 and I just got here to the upper lot. Simpsons Ride is showing a 35-minute wait. I'm gonna hit it now before it gets any higher. One of the problems with waiting in this line is that it moves so slowly. My guess is they're only running 1 theater right now, which is why there's such a delay. Just as I suspected, they're only running 1 theater. You'd be able to see if they were running the second one if people were lining up on that side, but they're not.
Make an annoying noise until you sit down.
So unfortunately, the wait for that attraction was really long. It was about 35 minutes. So it's now about 10 a.m. But you know what opens at 10 a.m.? Despicable Me, Minion, Mayhem. Looks like it has a 20-minute wait. Let's do it. The ride just opened, so it wasn't too long a wait, maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. Headed in here to the left theater, which I usually am not in.
I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Drew. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you. Anywho, one moment. This is good. Tell the Fario Add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear me. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions. Months ago, my chief scientist... It's those guys! Lucky for you, I'm in a bit...
That was fun. I haven't done that in a while. One thing that's cool is because this attraction used to be 3D and now isn't, you can see in the projection room that there is space for 2 projectors, but they're only using 1. I'm going to skip the silly swirly for now. It looks like there is currently 0 wait to get on this attraction. It says it's about 15 minutes, so we'll see. So it was only about a 5-minute wait. We still have a couple more rooms to go through here. I'm getting on Secret Life of Pets at about 10:25 a.m. So it's 10:30 and I have already done 2 attractions on the lower lot, Simpsons Ride, Despicable Me, and Secret Life of Pets off the leash. Now I'm gonna head into Starbucks and get a plastic straw so I can bring that over and get some butterbeer in the Wizarding World. One of my favorite things to do is take butterbeer in line with me for Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, so that's what I'm gonna do. It looks to be an hour wait, but this one does have single rider.
Come on, you did it! They're flying! Keep up, Mom! We're on our way!
Leaving Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey after getting on and off of it in about 10-15 minutes, now going to do Flight of the Hippogriff, which a lot of people don't know does have single rider. Thank goodness for single rider, skipping this entire 65-minute wait. Come up the side here, only 1 person in front of me, that's pretty good. Okay, so it is now close to 11 a.m. and most people grab lunch between 12 and 2. So I recommend going as close as you can to 10:30. So I'm gonna go grab lunch right now. One of my favorite places to eat is over in Springfield at Cletus's Chicken Shack. So I just had lunch at Cletus's Chicken Shack and I saw the Mummy opened. So I'm gonna go and hit that before the attraction wait time gets too long. It's only about 30 minutes now. So it was only about a 30-second wait, heading right in. I decided to hop in line for Jurassic World again, and looks like there's only 3 single riders in front of me. This is a 100-minute wait right now, and I'm getting on in probably less than 5. Heading up the stairs, I just did Jurassic World, as you can probably tell. Got very wet. And now, there's only 2 major attractions in the park I have not done, which is the Studio Tram Tour and Kung Fu Panda Adventure. So I'm gonna go hit Kung Fu Panda. So before going on Kung Fu Panda Adventure, I wanted to meet Donkey, and it turns out he'll be here in 30 seconds. Hello.
Is it safe to come out?
I think so. Okay, Kung Fu Panda Adventure is showing about a 20-minute wait. We'll see what it really is. You gotta love the dichotomy of seeing the DreamWorks Theater here and then Hogsmeade right here.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
I got here in the back, and this is my favorite seat in the whole theater because, spoiler alert, they do use projections on the walls here. So sitting right back here in the very middle, I get to see everything. So with that, I have now done every single major attraction in this park except for the studio tour before noon. Even with things being closed, it is possible. Universal Studios is really, really accessible if you get here early and you know where to go. Utilize single rider, utilize the attractions when they have the lowest wait times, and you'll have a great visit. You'll be able to do a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for being a part of this one. If you're interested in seeing more theme park related content, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.